Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales, showing you our 72 K10 running video. Runs good. Blinker to the left, blinker to the right. We just put a new heater control on it, so I believe the fan works. Yep, there you can hear the fan working. Horn does not work, but they don't take much to fix. And then of course radio doesn't work, but nice part, it hasn't been cut. So this is a great restoration project. Nice solid old truck. You can see the dome light working. And I believe the gauges, you can see the battery one, the oil pressure. I don't know why that brake light's on unless this is... Nice original underneath here. The cabs are four-wheel drive, still got the correct bin and everything. A lot of them get replaced. Oh, the tail lights. So my tail lights must not work. We'll get them looked at. So, any questions? 605-695-7391.